Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your iPhone cluttered with unwanted files? Today I will show you how to delete files from your iPhone quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the File app on your iPhone. Navigate to the folder where the file is stored. You can use the Browse tab to look through different locations like iCloud Drive, on my iPhone or other cloud storage services. Tap and hold the file you want to delete until a menu appears. Select Delete from the menu. If you want to delete multiple files, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the files and then tap the trash can icon. To permanently delete files, go back to the Browse tab and tap Recently Deleted. Tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the files you want to permanently delete and tap Delete again. And that's it, guys. You've successfully deleted unwanted files from your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye bye.